Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to study nursing in Japan. First, you'll need to research accredited nursing programs available to international students. Many universities offer comprehensive courses, but requirements vary. Next, focus on understanding the specific admission criteria, which often includes academic transcripts and recommendation letters. Finally, preparing for language proficiency is crucial, as most programs require a strong command of Japanese. This foundational work sets you up for success. To pursue nursing studies, you generally need a high school diploma or its equivalent. A critical step is achieving at least an N2 level on the Japanese language proficiency test, demonstrating sufficient language skills for academic work. If your Japanese isn't quite there, consider enrolling in a preparatory language school in Japan. These schools offer intensive courses that can significantly boost your proficiency before university applications. Once you've chosen your program, submit your application directly to the university, ensuring all required documents are included. After receiving your acceptance letter, the next vital step is to apply for a student visa. This process involves gathering essential documents such as your valid passport, proof of financial stability, and your certificate of eligibility. Start this early to avoid any delays in your exciting journey to study in Japan. After completing your nursing degree, you'll need to pass the National Nursing Examination to obtain your license and practice professionally in Japan. This is a crucial step for your career. With your license, you can then explore diverse job opportunities in various hospitals and clinics throughout the country, contributing to Japan's healthcare system. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.